Yeah, this is the kit that came ordered from Amazon. And yep, this is the wiper. Here is the lens kit. This is the dust absorber. This is the menu for the lens. Yeah, there's all the instruction there, so how to use it. It's very easy, not really hard. It comes like this in the two, so that you can you have to enough if you make a mistake. But this is the tweezer to take off the glass, the glass piece that's broken on the camera. And here, these are the blades for scraping the broken glass, and the double tip from the camera, from the glass that's used to stick the lens protector and the camera. So yeah, I will use this to clean this one first. So you have to clean all the old double tip in order to get a good result. So, but keep in mind not to hit the lens down there, because it's really close. It's a little bit risky, but not that risky. You just scrape it off and try to clean it off perfectly. And this doesn't take too much of time, but because why I did this myself is like I went to a electronic shop where I asked them that if they can change it, but they said no, I need to change the whole back cover in order to get this. And so I was looking up on Amazon, and you get this one on Amazon, and I ordered it yesterday, and so it reached today. And yeah, I'm gonna try it myself. Like, this is my first trial because I broke my glass. I didn't know it was broken until I was home. Like, I broke it during my work, and I reached home, so my friend told me what happened to my camera, and like the moment I saw it, I'm like, okay, but the main camera and the upper lens, it's both were like gone. There was a big hole, so I need to cover it up, the one you saw it earlier. So yeah, this is carefully, you need to clean it up. So yeah, let me fast forward this one and take you to the end result. After thoroughly cleaning the camera compartment, you need to wipe using the wet wipe. That comes with alcohol, so you don't leave any dirt and the glass pieces and the double tip paint, so that which will impact the outcome of your lens. So after that, you're gonna use the dry wipe to clean up again, the whiteness of that area. Then you just stick it on. So you take out the lens protector from the box, but be careful, while taking it out. Don't hold it like I'm holding it, because you're gonna leave your fingerprint, inside the lens protector, then it's like of no use because you cannot clean it properly, and you're gonna impact your focus of the camera. And also, I made a mistake here, so I have to redo it. So while doing this one, you have to take off, or in other words, like peel off the paper that comes on the double tip, so that you get access to the double tip and stick it to the camera. So you have to align it properly while doing it. Gently, take your time, do it slowly, and you're good to go. And this is how I have done it. So just lay it there, and just gently lay it there so that it doesn't stick. So you have a room for the movement of the lens protector. So that's how I put it. So gently press it in so that it can stick it properly there. So there you go. Here you go. For the second one, so you just need to repeat the same thing that what you did for the first time. Peel the plastic off the lens protector, and you're good to go, like a new new lens. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and share. Peace.